welcome back to our channel. For those who are new to my channel, I am Simply Key and this is the fam, and we are Simply Key and the fam. So, oh, okay, excuse me. That is Princess Audrey and that is Lil Red back there. So I went shopping for Lil Red because this was his year. Last year was Audrey's year. This year was Lil Red's year.
Every day is my year.
That's the problem. You think every day is your year. So, anyway, this year it was Lil Red's year. So he got a transformation on his room. He got clothes and all that. Which I get clothes typically throughout the year, but I just went and bought a bunch of clothes at one time for him. So I wanted to buy clothes for him for a while. So let's get into what I got. He's already worn this, but this is like a really long t-shirt with the zippers on it. Thought it was really, really cute. And I think this shirt was $9.99 or $7.99. $9.99. The next one is this academic shirt. This one was $5.99. Then we have this Echo shirt. I thought this was really cute. And it is $8.99.
What is Echo? What is it called? Is it a brand?
It's a brand, but it's an older brand. But it's a brand.
$24.
No, $8.99.
Oh, you bought it.
The next thing is they had their Levi 511s for $9.99. So I got him these cute. I don't know how they're coming off on camera, but they really a really pretty green color, like really, really pretty.
Now we all got green pants.
Wait. Back to what we was doing. I had to change the lens on the camera. The next shirt, he wore this to church today. It is just a regular army fatigue type looking shirt.
Pretty much.
And I think this one was $5.99 as well. This cute little white vest was $9.99.
That's cute.
This green Stay Stacking shirt was $8.99. Alright, put them shoes down until you finish this video.
Oh, I'm finna close them.
Oh, and get off my bed with them. Go wash your hands. Because you got this stuff all on your hands. And then he got this other Echo shirt for $7.99. You can wash your hands in the bathroom right now. And then he got, what is this? This is another Echo shirt for $10.99, and it's a long hollow shirt.
It is?
Yeah, I seen the perfect jeans for this, but they only had it in a 14, they didn't have it in a 16, and I thought if I got it in the 14, he wasn't gonna be able to fit it, so I didn't get it.
14 is 16. It's too late.
This other one, it says, I don't dance, I make money moves. I thought that was so cute. I like the colors that was in the shirt. The next one is the Levi's. They was $5.99. They are dark, pretty blue.
That's cute.
Yeah, I like that blue. That blue go good with that I don't dance, I make money move shirt. I got him joggers. And, oh, yeah, those Levi's were $9.99.
Every boy should have a pair of joggers.
Yeah, every boy should have a pair of joggers. These were $14.99. They by Academics. I like how they cuffed at the bottom. I like the cargo pockets on the side. I just think it's really, really cute. The next thing is these other pair of Levi's. They were $9.99. They're like a olive green. And they're the cargo style. The next shirt is, I don't know what brand this is, but I just liked it, the shirt, the way it was designed, and it was $8.99.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Nation.
And I thought that was really dope. The next thing, I love this shirt. I don't know why I like this shirt. I guess because it's the pink that's in it, and it kind of brings the shirt out and give the shirt some personality. But this is my favorite shirt out of all of them, besides the black and gold nation shirt.
What kind of shirt?
What is it?
Parish.
But at the bottom it says
Parish.
the land and the people. Parish Nation. I just thought that was really, really cute.
Oh, I wonder what nation is. That's
What
a
nation?
cute shirt.
Like the Islam Nation.
I know, but a lot of people thought it was like a brand. I know.
This is another pair of Levi's. They like a dark gray. They were $9.99 as well. And all his clothes was in a size 16 in boys. And his shirts was in a size small in men's. Because although he 11, he kind of tall for his age. So, yeah. But he's slim. So, these are another pair of khaki Levi's. Because you can't never have too many pair of khaki Levi's. You can pair of khaki
pants he had on
pants.
today was actually school pants. And
That was his,
you bought those?
which jeans was those? Pants, what pants you had on today?
I think it was joggers. So
Where is they?
I put them in a bag.
I don't see them.
These are.
No, that got the tag.
You sure
on
they're
it.
not in your room?
You had your school pants
I
on
brought
today.
them up in here. No, I didn't.
I know where they at. They're on the bed somewhere. Okay, but yeah. These little gray pants, I think I see them. They was folded. But they was folded on the bed.
It probably is for
There they go. Nope, that's not it.
We're just gonna have to wait.
Anyway, he had some khaki looking joggers. But I can't find them right now.
Those and joggers?
No, they was.
They was
They was joggers. They was khaki joggers. I swear to God. I bought him khaki joggers and I bought him some gray joggers. Those was khaki joggers.
Wait, here they are. They was like this,
But yeah, but they was cuffed at the bottom. They somewhere in this room. Alright, y'all, we finna get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember Simply Kids, I was gonna tell you you're beautiful because you simply are. And we got a couple more videos to do, so we will see you guys in the next haul.
Whoa.
Bye.
I really could have sworn those were school pants. I was like,
I swear to God, let me see if they
Oh, you
find
want the
them.
pants I had on yesterday?
No, the
Pants you
ones
had
you just had on
today.
today.
No,
No, they was joggers. I just seen them.
It looked like school
Like I
pants.
swear to God, I just had the pants. I don't even know what I did with the pants.
Unless
I
they in my
just-
room because I know I had came up in here and took them off.
Okay, you had to take them to your room. Cause I like just had, oh no, they might be over here.
So I took them off and came up in here.
Cause I put some stuff over here too. No,
One Nation.
they gotta be in his room then.
Probably.
Yeah.